Well, this is the flood of '09, not the flood of '08. This is the flood of '09. This is not the preschool. This is actually the office side, the old preschool, and this is the hallway running down next to the sanctuary, and we're going into the conference room. This is carpet in here, if you can't tell that. Yeah, everything. There was a busted pipe in one of the corner offices, which we'll show you here in a little bit. Hey, Jeff. Can we call Joe?
I've already called Joe.
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting for him to call me.
Okay. It's got they said it was, oh well, I got here, it was about 2 inches on the floor. So, it's got everything. We got almost everything off the floor that needed to get off the floor. You can see we're in water still. Here's my office. Thank the Lord, nothing really has got damaged in my office. There's Larry's office, is soaked. The corner offices are the ones that got the worst. Renee's is not as bad, but the big one. Are you ready? This is the office that got it the worst. This is where it started. Yes, this is the intern office. That's Vanessa's desk and Marcella's and Beth's. And so, as you can see, sad times. All right, we'll give you an update later.